Will someone take me home? But I believed in something once. I never got the same response. Take me home. I stare at the sky, my heart's surrendered. I buried the moments I believed in my soul. Set it so. I'm taking my time with body and news. I buried the body, broken, never lose my soul. Set it so. Feel we're falling to this land, afraid to take a helping hand. Will someone take me home? But I believed in something once. I never got the same response. Take me home. I stare at the sky, my heart's surrendered. I buried the moments I believed in. Set it so. I'm taking my time with body and news. I'll bury the body, broken, never lose my soul. Set it so. Set it so. Set it so. Set it so. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, I pray to the sky, my heart's surrendered. I buried the moments I believed in my soul. Set it so. I'm taking my time with body and news. I buried the body, broken, never lose my soul. Set it so. Set it so.
Oh, where's the sound man? What are you missing? I've got to turn this down. I'm being deafened.
Can we turn the drummers system down here in the back, please?
Just the monitor. This monitor. Very low. No, less. Just a bit less. He's killing me when he yells.
Good evening. How are we doing? We okay? All right. I've been rolling around this wasteland looking for leftover souls in this unrecognizable place called home. The incorrupt became a subject of their own demise, with their second homes. What's yours is mine. When I see her standing in the doorway of a down and out bar with her hand rolled cigarettes, not very far from those cherry glass lips, the rain starts to hit the post and skin of this long lost soul. She was just one thing I couldn't see anymore. Oh, I I couldn't see anymore. Oh. Well, I clung to my virtues, tried my very best for sure. I try to live it up and laugh it off, go the extra mile or more. But these times they're getting harder, oh, the system's getting longer. Every day seems like an endless parade, until I woke up in the morning with this goddess in my arms and a cold sense of victory and a feeling so warm. When you're ready and able, leave my money on the table. Oh, it's time to pick yourself up off the floor. She was just a wild thing I couldn't see anymore. Oh, I couldn't see anymore. Oh, it was a long walk home in the rain. Walking around, no one stands out. Everybody looks the same in this endless world of shame. All the banks lead us to stations, no one will take the blame. But I'll spend 1,000 years of this just to spend another night of bliss. She was just one thing. She was just one thing. She was just one thing. She was just one thing I couldn't see anymore. Oh, I couldn't see anymore. Oh, I couldn't see anymore. I couldn't say, I couldn't see anymore. Oh, I couldn't see anymore. I couldn't say, I couldn't see anymore. I couldn't see anymore. So we are the 9-piece Cardiff born and bred. Cardiff born, Cardiff bred. The James Clode Band. How are we doing? We okay? You're here to see the Lion King tonight? No? Come to see us? That's really kind of you. No family, but he's got friends. He sat at the table at the loser's end. He's got pockets full of hope and belief, shouting on his soapbox, down on his knees, that he will wait for you. Yes, he will wait for you. Yes, he will wait for you. Yes, he will wait for you to come. Backed up against the wall, he shines through the short term, falls at the long haul. Deja vu will tease his path, his up-front charade, running from his past, but he will wait for you. Yes, he will wait for you. Yes, he will wait for you. Yes, he will we'll wait for you. Oh, we'll wait for you. Keep on breathing. Keep on breathing. Yeah. Keep on breathing. Keep on breathing. So into the morning, take a pill to set a soul. Hear the whispers of a future from an essence so pure. I go hard into the long road, chase a fighting down dream. There's life beyond this tunnel, somewhere waiting for me, but I keep on breathing. Keep on breathing, yeah. Keep on breathing, yeah, yeah. Keep on breathing. It's a combi for the storm. It's an exit line that needs truth. I'm the net that breaks the fall. Like a swarm they gather around me, fill my head with bitter truths. Gotta look into those red souls. Someone's waiting for you, but I keep on breathing. Keep on breathing, yeah. Keep on breathing, yeah, yeah. Keep on breathing.
Thank you very much.
her soul beholds no need of wisdom. The sycophantic system won't align. Belief in just your instincts will relieve them. You've carried all those woes now for a while. I'm no hero, I'm no hero. My world of yesterday is gone, my friend. A family of 4 days, some arrangement. The cul-de-sac kids make nice memories. You loved, you laughed, made love, worked hard for what now, baby? You filled this little pond now with the sea. I'm no hero, I'm no hero. My world of yesterday is gone, my friend. Communication breakdown will deceive you. You're reaching out for someone to define. My troubled sleep in a system overrated. My life is ours but never to be mine. I'm no hero, I'm no hero. My world of yesterday is gone, my friend. I hear the distant calling of a healer, the one you used to know within your heart. Within her eyes you made her a believer. You should have seen that torment from the start. I'm no hero, I'm no hero. My world of yesterday is gone, my friend. I'm no hero, I'm no hero. My world of yesterday is gone, my friend. I'm no hero, I'm no hero. I'm no hero, I'm no hero. I'm no hero, I'm no hero, I'm no My world of yesterday is gone, my friend.
this live drums. Yeah, of course we are. Sorry.
How are we doing? Woo! Hello, my friend, nice to see you again. Oh, we've been through some times, more the most inspirational man. So tell me, please tell me what to do for that face in the mirror, staring right back at you. I can hear the sound of the violin rain. I stare out my window to keep me in pain, for the pain is the one thing that's always been consistent to me. Well, I kick off my boots and I'll sit on my throne. I'll check for the light that I had on my phone. It's the poor man's typical self-loathing diary. I don't follow the crowd and I'll sing till I drop. How time do we head in this merry-go-round? By popular folk paving ways for your own destiny. Hello, my friend, nice to see you again. Oh, we've been through some times, more the most inspirational man. Now I woke in the night in a cold sweat for sure. The past gently whispers, could you have done more? For all that is left is an image of who you once were. So go sip on your juice and go live out your life. Don't hang on regrets with the twist of the knife of the ones that I lost, the ones who were family. Well, I'll play the piper and I'll bang the drums. I'll beat on my chest till the day that I'm done. I'll fight for the memories of the ones that meant most to all. I don't follow the crowd and I'll sing till I drop. How time do we head in this merry-go-round? Oh, by popular folk paving ways by a popular vote, paving ways for their own destiny. I don't follow the crowd and I sing till I drop. By the time that we head in this merry Europe, by popular vote, paving ways for their own destiny. Thank you very much, folks. So hold the phone, babe. You know I can't lie anymore. There's a downright indifference on what it means to be more. There's that look in your eye, trying to hold on to that family name. So hold the phone, babe. You know I can't lie anymore. I woke up in the morning and stayed on the bathroom floor. There's that look in your eye, trying to hold on, yeah, to that family man. There's that freight train running from my heart to my head, and that was just the start. That's an easy answer to sort it all, but our history makes it harder. So I'll set the tone when you leave home. We can work on the last time. History's so home. So on the phone, babe, you know I can't lie anymore. My mind's all messed up and I'll leave you to break down the door. There's that look in your eye, trying to hold on, oh, to that family man. So hold the phone, babe. You know I can't lie anymore. My mind's all messed up and I leave you to break down the door. There's that look in your eye, trying to hold on, oh, to that family man. There's that freight train running from my heart to my head, and that was just the start. That's an easy answer to sort it all, but our history makes it harder. So I'll set the tone when you make it home. We can work on the last time. History's so old. So on the phone, babe, you know I can't lie anymore. There's a downright indifference of what it means to be born. There's that look in your eye, trying to hold on, to that family man, 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 to that family man. Should we warm you up before the show tonight? You want to join in? Yeah. Repeat after me. Oh, 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 oh. Now you're in the Millennium Centre. We got a big space to fill. There's a lot of music, there's a lot of passion, there's a lot of heart. So I want to hear you next time, okay? Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There's that look in your eye, trying to hold on to that family man, to that family man, to that family man, oh, oh, to that family man, to that family man, oh, yeah.
Is it possible you could just turn
Well done,
James
everyone. Thank you for
down
that.
in my monitor a little bit, please?
Mark.
Hello? Is it possible you could turn James down in my monitor just a little bit, please?
A little bit too
Just
loud.
a tad, yeah. I got this man lined up for your contemplation and trying to make your dreams come true. When the word on the line is short, a conversation but full of dedication, especially when it comes to you.
that he's educated you. I can tell you all the secrets, give the game away, but that's just too easy. There's definitely no way to play. Roll out the red carpet for these escapades. Hold out the thing alive, but it's never gonna be the same. You don't want no one that's there. He wants to hold your hand, right, girl? And that's the truth. And he'll slowly hold your hand right back and whisper that he's educated you. Well, he's not too complicated and not sophisticated like the standard that you see on some single woman's TV screen. Well, he might be right in front of you while you're always talking to his friend. He's just a figment of this woman's everlasting dream. He don't want no one that's there. He wants to hold your hand, right, girl? And that's the truth. And he'll slowly fold your hair right back and whisper that he's educated you. You don't want no one that's there. He wants to hold your hand, right, girl? And that's the truth. And he'll slowly fold your hair right back and whisper that he's educated you. How are we doing now? That's more like it. This one's by a special request. Hello.
This is better than the Lion King, isn't it?
Oh. Yeah, this is way better than the Lion King. Are we ready? Yeah? One, two, three, four. Don't you know, life usually turns us in different ways. Held in the glow of the evening surrender will lead us astray. Won't you leave on the one hand, but please don't ignore that the show must go on and the people will go with the feelings intact and our feet on the floor. I know that I love you forever, same as before. Yeah. sound. Let's make a sound. Let's make a sound. Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's make a sound. Let's make a sound. Let's make a sound. Let's make a sound. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bada, 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 come on now, yeah, 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 yeah. Let's make a sound, yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's make a sound. Bada, 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 come on now, yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, hey, let's make a Thank you very much. So we're going to knock it on to the last song of the night now. Everybody's got the show to go do. So I hope you all enjoy that tonight. Thank you ever so much. You've been excellent. Thank you.